Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh to all Muslim around the world and to those not Muslim that keep slandering Islam. Okay, nowadays it is well known that the person by the name of Christian Prince are well known because he managed to reveal the truth about the evilness and badness of Islam. But first of all, we should ask ourselves, is that so? Okay, he keep boasting that throughout the whole world, there is nobody in the whole world of Islam, which total about 1.5 billion, there is nobody to challenge him and prove the truth. That makes him so-called the divine religion from God. But Christian, don't be so proud, okay? Now let me tell you the truth, okay? All this while he had been boasting, that was all a bullshit, okay? In fact, I've ever challenged him in his Facebook, okay? And do you know that, okay, he was just a small boy, okay, who keeps making noise. That is the behavior of a small boy. But when they come to, okay, he just managed to boast around those people who are ignorant, okay, ignorant and not knowledgeable, okay. And after that, he will tell the whole world that so-called nobody in the whole of Islam, there is no scholar can debate him, okay. If that is so, okay, why do you block me? Okay, you fucking bastard, Christian Prince, okay. And yet you tell you through his lies and deceit, okay, he managed to tell the whole of Christianity, okay, there is nobody in the Islamic world that can challenge him. Now I challenge you, okay, and to all the Christian, you total more than the Muslim, okay. The Muslim is only about 1.5 billion, and you said even Allah and Prophet Muhammad are too stupid to challenge you. Now for your info, I've been challenging the whole Christian world, okay, which has more followers than us, okay, to debate with me on one condition, okay. Since you slander Islam all this while, millions of words, okay, had been thrown, okay. Now I let you slander, but on one condition. If I can pinpoint even one mistake from you, okay, the slightest mistake, dishonesty from you, can you admit that all this while you have been slandering Islam out of hatred, biasism and prejudice? And if I gave you one simple question, as simple as 1 plus 1, okay, and you can't answer, can you admit that Islam is the truth? Okay, until now, for your info, especially Christian Prince, you are a real fucking bastard. Okay, do you know that? Okay, now I'm challenging you, and now I've been telling this message to all the Christian that, okay, who like to slander, okay, let me debate with you live. But do you know that all this while he had been blocking me? So what are you talking about? Okay, now I show my face, and you didn't even dare to show your face. Okay, what type of bastard is that? Huh? So don't be proud, okay, Christian. All this while I've been debating and I've been challenging Christian on this condition. Okay, throw away 100% of your hatred, biasism, and prejudice, and be 100% sincere, honesty, and trustworthy. But till now, I dare to declare nobody since last time until now dare to take my challenge. If you think that your religion is the divine truth, why don't you take up my challenge? Okay? All I can conclude from the debate from so many millions of Christians, I can conclude one thing: they are a real bastard. Okay? They just quote verses from Quran and Hadith, which was twisted by this fucking bastard Christian prince. Okay? Without knowing the true picture. Okay? Without knowing the true picture. And they just slander without using their dead brain. Okay, so that's why I say I can let you slander 1,001 word, but a simple question for me and you can't answer. As simple as 1 + 1. That's why I say you are just exposing your hypocrisy, which was confirmed by the Quran. Okay, so as long you don't take up, any Christian don't take up my challenge, because you are too small for me. Okay, if you dare to take my challenge, you connect me to this fucking bastard Christian prince. Okay, which I call him CP, stand for Clown Princess, because he was just making a clown of himself. And CP also stand for coward person, because he didn't even dare to take my challenge. Okay, if you really dare, you come and debate with me live, okay, in front of million people. Do you dare or not? Okay, as long there is no Christian there to take my challenge, okay, don't be angry if I say that Christianity was spread through lies and deceit. Okay, and for those Muslims, don't despair. Actually, he is just nothing. He was just a small dog who keeps barking 24 hours, okay, non-stop. Okay, you just be faithful and be strong in your faith, because in the end, no matter what, truth will prevail. Okay, that's all I have to say. This is the message. Okay, for those Christian, I'm not making enemies with you. Okay, only for those who are heart sick, okay, just know how to slander without using their brain and without shutting their mouth. Okay, these are the people that I would like to teach them a lesson. Don't be so proud. Okay.